This video will be about algebraic terminology, and it will allow you to be more familiar with some keywords such as expression, equation, term, variable, coefficient, and constant. Here we have 5ab plus 9x plus y. Now, thinking of some of the definitions, an algebraic expression will be a combination of numbers or letters that may be added or subtracted from one another. There is no equal sign in an expression. So, looking at this example here, there is no equal sign, therefore it is an expression. Thinking of the definition of an equation, it does have an equal sign. We've got a left-hand side and a right-hand side, and they are equal to one another. Therefore, this in front of us, this algebraic expression, is not an equation. The definition of term, you can think of separate parts, and they are separated by addition or subtraction. So in our example here, we have addition and addition. We have these parts that are separated by these addition signs. These here, 5ab, 9x, and y, they are separate terms. This expression has 3 terms. Looking at the term variable, a variable is a letter that is replacing a number. It can take any value. A is a variable, and it might represent 10. A could be 115. You have a variable of A and B, X and Y. So that's a letter that could take any value that represents a number. A coefficient is a number that sits right in front of the variable. The coefficient of A and B is 5. The coefficient of X is 9. The coefficient of Y, you can think of there being 1y, 1 times y. So the coefficient is 1. Coefficient is a number in front of the variable. Ensure that you do not locate your coefficient behind the variable, such as x9, as this is not following algebraic techniques. 9x is the correct way to write this. Lastly, we've got constant. This is just a number by itself that does not have a variable involved. Now, in my expression here, it doesn't currently have a constant. You'll notice that each number is multiplied by a variable. So I might actually undertake some addition here of the number 10, and we now have a constant here. It's always often located towards the end of the expression, the number 10, not linked to a variable at all. Hopefully this has helped you know a little bit more about algebraic terminology, and when you look at an algebraic expression or equation, you are able to locate all of the separate little parts and name them properly.